This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in League City due to a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Galveston County and southeastern Chambers County until 1:30 a.m. At 12:59 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Smith Point, or 10 miles southeast of Beach City, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Once again, the National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Galveston and southeastern Chambers County until 1:30 a.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.